Rhinos are animals that are big. Rhinos graze just like the white rhino. And the black rhino loves to have a run around in the rain, splashing to his muddy puddles. And the Indian rhino has one horn and armor on him. He is lovely. But rhinos can also be very dangerous. Tag you're it, Lawrence! Tag you're it, James! Whoa! A rhino! Rhinos are really heavy and they can squash you if you're not careful, and they stay wild for a long time. They have hair on their ears and their horns are long. So, never go near rhinos. They are very dangerous.